What's up, everybody? I'm Kyle.
And I'm Justin.
And this is Beer City Builds.
Today, we are going to begin renovating Kyle's parents' bathroom.
In this first part, we're going to be removing the bathtub.
In the second part, we're going to be moving the toilet and then installing a new vanity.
In the third one, we're going to be taking out the shower and putting in a new one.
And finally, we're going to wrap up any loose ends that come along.
So, let's jump over to the bathroom and get started. Alright everybody, so this is my parents' bathroom. My dad has been working on the renovation for a few months now, and it's going a little bit slower than he was hoping, so we're going to give him a little hand. We're going to start by taking out the tub, but we're going to do the entire bathroom eventually, so this is just part one.
And so, for the first step, we need to remove the faucet, so that way we get all the water lines out of the way. And then next we're going to come in with some hammers and chisels and remove all the tiling. Finally, we're going to cut the drywall, and that will allow us to remove the entire tub.
So once we get the tub out of here, we'll have to do a little bit of work with the plumbing and the HVAC to get it removed from where it is currently, but that's
the plan.
So let's get started. So, got the faucet off. Next step, we're gonna start working on the tile.
Woo! All right, everybody. I've got the small hammer.
I got the big hammer.
And the chisel, and and we're gonna go in here and start removing this tile.
Yeah. We've also got our safety glasses on so that we don't get anything in our eyes.
Shrapnel's not fun. All right, let's do it.
I'm not gonna be able to get this without breaking the window mirror. Yeah, I can't get the ones under the mirror. I'm so scared of this mirror.
That's what the top backs.
Oh, got the mirror. That's why I said I was scared of the mirror. Well, that's gonna...
That sucks real bad.
Yeah, no.
Here, give it to me. It's North Carolina.
It is! Oh my god, we need to save that. That's awesome. Oh man, I feel like this shit, the mirror again. I'm gonna go tell Mom that I'm gonna buy him a new mirror.
Okay.
I think she probably already heard me.
Yeah.
One good thing that came out of it is a mirror that is shaped like North Carolina. So we're gonna take this back to the shop. We're gonna do some work to it, make it look awesome. And I'll give it back to my parents as a reminder of what used to be.
What'd she say?
She's happy.
She
didn't want this. She didn't like it. I said it's too big. She said yeah. So I'll get them a nicer one.
Okay.
We'll paint this wall. We'll take all the glue off.
Yeah.
We'll make it look a lot better.
It'll be fine. Now that we've removed the tile and a little bit of mirror, we're going...
It's rude.
Now that we've removed the tile, we're going to get into this drywall and cut the rest of the tub out. I mean, that's
This is gonna be helpful.
It is. Alright everybody, we just finished removing the sheetrock on this wall here. We also cut through all the studs that were in there. And now Kyle.
Next step, we're gonna knock the studs out that are in the way with the sledgehammer, and then we're gonna take out the remainder of the wall so that we can get the tub out. Alright, got the wall out. We're just gonna clean up the bathroom real quick and we'll be right back.
Oh, hair. All right, everybody. We just finished cutting the drain line, and while I was down there, oh, hair, we noticed that the frame of the tub is attaching it in such a way that we can't get to all the 2x6s.
So what we're gonna do next is remove the tile that goes all the way around the base of the tub. And then we're gonna have to lift the tub out of the frame that it's set in right now. Then we'll be able to remove the frame itself from the wall. So that's our next step.
All right, everybody. That was part 1 of us renovating Kyle's parents' bathroom.
So the next part of the series is going to be cleaning up the tub area, moving the HVAC system, cleaning up the plumbing a little bit, and moving the toilet over into this area.
Installing a double vanity. So if you like what you see, keep on watching and please subscribe to see what we got.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye. You don't have
Bye.
Oh gosh. Whoever put this on put it on with the strength of a gorilla.
All right, who's gonna win, Justin or Kyle?